Great old classic here, 1985 Hitachi UH07. Actually going to see it move under its own power. Usually they're always parked when I see them. These were a very popular machine here in the Vancouver area back in the late 80s. In my opinion, they truly are the excavator that put excavators on the map. It was when technology finally got good on them. I wouldn't be too proud to run one for a day. There's nothing wrong with those things. Don't judge the operating. I think it's a homeowner's machine here. It's his own. I just asked him if he'd fire it up and show me it run. So he's just doing this for the camera, which is nice of him. It sounds good. Smokes a little bit. It's cleared up some now.